Quick Scoper here. So, in this video, don't. In this video, I got a butterfly knife.
A real one.
And it's just trainer.
I thought it was real, sorry.
If this was real, Dom, I would have already cut my fingers off.
Yeah, same.
I ain't even lying. I'm gonna be playing with this. I'm gonna be making a bit. We're gonna make. And
May
guys,
I try?
what?
You film?
Yeah.
Okay, you film.
Ready?
Now. One more trick.
Yep.
Ooh. You want that, yeah?
Yo. God damn.
He's our new cameraman, guys. He's our new cameraman, aren't you?
Yep. So it's like this.
It's not even real. It's just trainers. We ordered it, didn't we? Off of Wish, right?
Yep. Come on. Okay. So, I'm doing the end of this video now. So, if you're new, remember to subscribe and hit the like button. And remember to stay cool.
Peace, guys.